Sameer Veloxy Smart 28W BLDC 5-star energy-saving anti-dust white ceiling fan with LED lamp remote, sweep, 1200 mm. Key features: Smart connects controls easily, energy efficient, powerful quite long inverter runtime, LED light, smooth operation, variable speeds, easy clean anti-dust design. Key specification: power consumption 28 watt, speed 350 rpm, dimensions 53 x 24 x 26 cm, sweep 1200 mm. Thank you for watching.